Welcome to Daily Quiz for would you rather break your fast with a plate of crispy samosas or a refreshing bowl of fruit chai? Get ready for a fun and interactive game where we put some of the most delicious favorites iftar head to head. Join the fun, share your choices in the comments, and let's see which dishes come out on top. Before starting, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Would you rather dates or samosa? Would you rather fruit chat or pakora? Would you rather roux afza or lemonade? Would you rather hot milk or lassi? Would you rather chana chat or dahi vada? Would you rather halim or nihar? Would you rather faluda or sheer kurma? Would you rather chicken roll or spring roll? Would you rather jalebi or gulab jamun? Would you rather fried chicken or BBQ kebab? Would you rather mutton curry or chicken curry? Would you rather paratha or naan? Would you rather egg toast or aloo pakora? Would you rather beef samosa or chicken samosa? Would you rather mango juice or watermelon juice? Would you rather ras malai or kheer? Would you rather fried fish or grilled fish? Would you rather kofta curry or butter chicken? Would you rather Turkish pide or shawarma? Would you rather biryani or pulao? Would you rather veg samosa or meat samosa? Would you rather hummus or baba ganoush? Would Would you rather date shake or almond shake? Would you rather malpua or gajar ka halwa? Would you rather fruit juice or coconut water? Would you rather onion pakora or chili pakora? Would you rather roti or rice? Would you rather yakni pula or korma? Would you rather mutton kebab or chicken kebab? Would you rather custard or fruit trifle? Would you rather kunafa or baklava? Would you rather masala chai or black coffee? Would you rather eggplant pakora or potato pakora? Would you rather suhoor, only water, or suhoor, only milk? Would you rather Arabic dates or Iranian dates? Would you rather kachori or samosa? Would you rather khajur milk or almond milk? Would you rather mutton biryani or chicken biryani? Would you rather falafel or cheese sambusek? Would you rather paya soup or lentil soup? Would you rather kesar milk or ruafza milk? Would you rather dry fruits or mixed nuts? Would you rather tomato soup or corn soup? Would you rather Nutella paratha or honey paratha? Would you rather beef kofta or chicken kofta? Would you rather chul bhature or aloo paratha? Would you rather creamy pasta or spicy pasta? Would you rather dates with milk or dates with honey? Would you rather kebab roll or paneer roll? Would you rather one big feast or many small meals? Let us know your top iftar picks in the comments. What's your must-have dish? And while you're at, drop some ideas for our next challenge. We'd love to hear it. Don't forget to check out this video for more delicious fun. See you there.